Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Ford F-150 Lariat SuperCrew 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1755A. 70,000 miles on this F-150. Clean auto check history report. Ingot silver, metallic in color. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear defrost for excellent visibility, and power sliding window for extra ventilation. Soft tonneau cover. Locking tailgate. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. And very clean, as you can see. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Lariat has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat with memory settings for 2 drivers, power adjustable pedals, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, dual zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, sliding door control, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this F-150 is a 3.5 liter turbocharged V6, 365 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles per gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this F-150, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.